Elitech WJL-6000S refrigerant leak detector adopts a corona refrigerant sensor. As an upgraded version of WJL-6000, it has an updated alarm light bar. Open the battery cover, install 4 AAA alkaline batteries, and reinstall the cover. Turn on the detector. It takes no more than 6 seconds to warm up until it beeps. The indicator light turns green or red to indicate the battery power. The detector has 7 adjustable sensitivities. You can adjust the sensitivity to your needs. When a leak is detected, a siren will sound with a rate quite different from the previous beep sound. The indicator lights will also increase. After use, turn the knob counterclockwise to turn off.